Hey there! Are you tired of your favorite YouTube videos not playing on your Google TV? If you're wondering how to fix Google TV YouTube not working, you're in the right place. In this guide, we're breaking down the steps so you can troubleshoot and get back to streaming your favorite content on the big screen. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure that your Google TV is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection is often the culprit behind streaming issues. Navigate to the settings menu on your Google TV and check the status of your network connection. If necessary, restart your Wi-Fi router or reconnect your Google TV to the network. This simple step can solve many streaming problems. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. Outdated apps can lead to functionality issues. To fix Google TV YouTube not working, check for any available updates for the YouTube app. Go to the Google Play Store on your Google TV, search for YouTube, and see if there's an update option. If so, install the update and then try to launch the app again. Keeping your apps up to date enhances performance and resolves bugs that may affect stream. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Over time, cache and app data can accumulate and cause issues with loading videos. To clear this, navigate to the settings menu on your Google TV, select apps, and then choose YouTube. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove any stored files. This might log you out of your account temporarily, but it will often help resolve playback issues significantly. Step 4. Restart your Google TV. If the issue persists, try restarting your Google TV. Doing so can clear minor glitches and help refresh the system. Simply press the power button to turn it off and then on again. Alternatively, unplug your device, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. This method gives your Google TV a fresh start and often helps when apps are not working correctly. Step 5. Check YouTube server status. Sometimes the problem may not be with your Google TV, but with YouTube servers. Visit the YouTube help page or check Twitter for any server status updates or outages. If there is an ongoing issue on YouTube's end, all you can do is wait for them to fix it. Fixing Google TV YouTube not working can usually be tackled with these straightforward steps. By checking your internet connection, updating the app, clearing cache and data, restarting the device, and verifying YouTube server status, you can solve most streaming issues. If the problem continues, you may need to contact Google support for more assistance. Remember, streaming should be a fun and smooth experience, so go through these steps, fix those issues, and get back to enjoying your favorite content seamlessly. Happy streaming.